Our final question on this old exam looks at some acid properties of alcohols. And what we find here is a somewhat interesting trend. Because what we've done on these aromatic rings is we've substituted an electron withdrawing group. In one case nitro, and in one case fluorine. Now in the past we've often talked about that putting an electron withdrawing group onto a molecule will increase its acidity. And that's true in all four of these cases. All four of these molecules are more acidic than phenol itself. But the other thing we had previously learned is in most cases, every case we've looked at previously, the closer you put that electron withdrawing group to the acidic proton, the bigger the effect. And that's because inductive effects, which is what we get from electronegative groups, are based on proximity. The closer the electronegative group is, the bigger of an effect it has. And so that's what's going on here with the fluorines. 3-fluorophenol is a stronger acid than 4-fluorophenol. And again, that's because fluorine is electron withdrawing by induction, and it's able to better stabilize. The unusual piece in this question comes in with the nitro groups, because it turns out that 3-nitro is weaker than 4-nitro. And so what that tells us is that there has to be something going on that's not related to induction. So in a case like that, it's often helpful to actually draw out the conjugate base. And we can even do that to the extent of drawing out the nitro group. What we find if we do that is that in the case of the 4-nitrophenol, this negative charge from the conjugate base can be stabilized by resonance into the nitro group. So not only does the nitro group help to stabilize the conjugate base through induction, but it can do it through resonance as well. For the 3-nitrophenol, we can move the electrons, but there is no way to get them up into the nitro group here. The only thing that we can do is continue to move them around the ring. And so the 3-nitro doesn't gain any stability from resonance, it's only from induction. And so that's why, even though the nitro group is further away, in 4-nitrophenol, it actually has a bigger effect due to the resonance ability that's not present in 3.